so we've got the second half of the suitcase, so Emma's going to unzip it.
Oh, if I can bloody reach, I'm short.
Emma's got the hand model hands.
My outgrown nails.
Right, so yeah, we had to flat pack a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
So we'll show you boxes for these. Those are what the figures from the last video. That's what they look like when they're built up. So these little things, they turn into nice little dioramas. And Emma's addicted to them. If you can have a look over there, look. Emma's got loads, and we'll do like a bloody tour of them at some point because it's lots.
Yeah, I bought the entire box, so it was a full set.
Yeah, all of them. Right, let's crack on with these.
So we got these from the gift from the.
Oh yeah, those are freebies. Every time you just buy things, like, oh, you've got a free gift. And we got a couple of these, so probably going to do a giveaway with some stuff.
We didn't get Blastoise though, which I'm sad about.
Yeah, Pikachu bag.
I have
loads of bloody bags. They're really nice. Right. Oh yeah, some more of those. Those are the two that we're keeping.
Venusaur.
Right. Right, let's crack on. What we got?
I think this is a lot of your stuff.
Yeah, this is a few of my things. I found some random stuff in the Final Fantasy stores and some discount stores. So this is like, it's from Dissidia, you know, the fighting game. You get a random plate based on a few of them in the collection. Let me just focus it, please. There we go. So this is 10, 11, 12, 13. It's Zidane on the front, but I'm hoping for an FF12 one. So we'll see. We'll open it at some point. Right, what we got? Oh yeah, some more.
Final Fantasy.
I got those from the Final Fantasy store. Like, they're pretty cool. FF12 and FF8, yeah. Nice. Another Pokemon snack. I say another, we've not shown any on here yet, but yeah, loads of stuff.
And I bought one of these cool things. So it's to display your favourite cards in, keep them safe.
Yeah.
So hopefully if I get a good card from either the packs I bought or those cards I showed, the vintage ones, I might just put one of those in and yeah. Very cool.
We've got another pack of these, but this is the one I think that she's keeping sealed. So yeah, we won't know what that is ever.
More girly things.
Pokemon socks. Is that Buneri?
Yeah, they're so sweet. I mean, I don't know if they'll fit, but we'll see.
Yeah.
I have small feet, so should be good.
Right, this is a mountain of these are gacha as well. If I grab them.
A lot of them.
Now instead of these just being like gachapon balls, you get like an art print from different series. So we've got a Gundam one. I got a ton of Dragon Ball Z ones, and for some reason when I put the money in, it was giving me 2 at a time.
Hence
so
the amount.
I paid for 3 of those, but got 6, and I got 6 out of 8 of the collection. Out of 9?
Yeah.
No.
I thought you got 9.
No, I got 6. 6 out of 8. And then 3 bleach ones, and these are pretty cool as well. I mean, I won't go. We could go through them.
You can put it in the gacha as well for a closer look.
Yeah. What I'll do is we'll put this in the gacha video, but that's what they kind of look like, and they're art prints from different series and stuff.
They're really cool.
Yeah.
So, can you guess the next store?
Oh yeah, Nintendo store.
In Osaka as well.
Yeah. Now this is pretty cool. Right. So yeah, this thing. Ignore the Splatoon.
Unless you like Splatoon.
This is like a stream inside joke. People like to say use Leaf to me. And now I've got my own Deco Leaf fan. Or set of 3 fans. So I'm going to make this a channel point redemption. So anytime a certain someone keeps telling me to use Leaf, I'm going to fan myself and take it as they want me to cool down. So yeah, look, there's 3 different ones you get as well, and they're cool as hell. If it'll let me focus. There we go.
Oh, next.
Figs, just small ones. Yeah.
So I got this cute photo frame from the Pokemon Center.
Yeah, and it's got Quaxley, Fuecoco, and Sprigatito.
Don't know what photo I'm going to put it in here.
Yeah, it's nice though.
Yeah.
That's cool.
And then, oof, gosh. There's a loose gacha.
Oh, there's a little gacha. It's what's his name?
Tanjiro?
Yeah, Tanjiro from Demon Slayer.
Being woken up.
Yeah.
Rowlet hair clips.
They're pretty cool. There were loads of different Pokemon ones. Rowlet, Snom. Oh, I wish it'd focus. There we go. Yeah, loads of those. They're nice.
And then
Oh, that's a rude gacha that we won't actually show, and that's actually a gift for someone because they requested it. So yeah, you filthy animal.
Yeah, they requested it. We didn't just get them a random filthy.
Can't even speak about what's on it.
Shaman King, little acrylic stand.
Oh yeah, acrylic stands are everywhere in Japan now. It's like the new meta for collectibles.
Huge thing at the
minute. It's like
so.
massive acrylic stand kind of scene.
And then also got, this is actually quite expensive, but it's like a little paper craft, and it's from Princess Mononoke, my favourite Studio Ghibli film. I got a case for it as well, but somewhere else. But yeah, I'm really excited for that. Oh, and then a Mew key hanger.
Yeah, I think you just stick them on your wall, don't you?
Yeah, and then obviously tail for keys and stuff.
Yeah.
They'll look cool in the streaming room.
I see more socks.
More socks.
Coco
socks. I absolutely love them. Again, I hope they fit. But
yeah.
Oh, so here's some more.
Oh, that's more of those.
Some more remint, but these are the terrariums.
Yeah, instead of being like little stands and stuff.
So I'm hoping I get ones that I like. I didn't get a full box of these, so they're random, but we'll see.
What's that little plush? See a little plush here.
Oh, this is from a 7-Eleven, and it's from Hiroshima.
Oh yeah, little Hiroshima exclusive. Would not have got that if we didn't go there. Now what else we got? Oh, this is one of mine. I found these things again. Q-Poskets they're called. It's like over here, pop figures are really popular, but in Japan, pops don't really seem to be, you know, the baseline for cheap but nice figures.
We didn't see.
But yeah, but Q-Poskets they are massive over there, and I saw a Superman one. And I had to buy it because it's cool as hell.
I'm sure that was the first thing you bought in Japan.
Yeah, probably was. Probably the first one.
So, more stickers.
Oh yeah, some more B-sides. You've got Raichu.
And then these are mine, personal ones.
Yeah, Nido King. Yeah, they're nice.
Favorite.
Just like the Golden Kamui one on the last video.
Earrings. Obviously, I had to go for the generic.
Yeah, last time we had Bidoof earrings, and we've got actual Pokeball earrings this time.
So I could have Pokeball in one and Bidoof in the other if I wanted.
Yeah. What other small bits have we got?
Your Final Fantasy
Oh yeah, a few little
gadgets.
These are from the Final Fantasy pop-up store, Focus. And the collection is like a character from FF 1 through 15.
There was a lot.
There was loads, and I only got 2. I got FF1 and FF2, I think.
And this is yours.
Oh, yeah, another B-side. That's my little Turtwig one, which is pretty cool. I like those.
Got some magnets. So
filling fridge up again. That's a Hiroshima one.
And then we have Kyoto.
Kyoto. Yeah.
We basically got a magnet for like every major place we went to. There's
Niojima,
which we actually loved being there. It was amazing. Some more gachas.
Yeah. Cats in animal suits.
Yeah, there's a shark one. I won that in a claw machine actually, and that was the first gacha I bought.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool.
And I won that one in a claw machine, so pretty good.
Got few more little bits.
Oh, there's your.
Oh yeah, this is the only full metal gacha stuff I could find. It's like little screenshot keyrings, and I got Envy. If it'll let me focus, which is pretty nice. Yep.
And then that was from your wafer.
Oh yeah, little Dragon Ball Z wafer came with a collectible card. Little Gohan. Goten. Gohan doing some stuff.
And then of course, a Rowlet buildable figure.
Big old Rowlet. Like that.
So cute.
Yeah, that's pretty big. Like. Yeah, they're cool. You've got a few of those, haven't you?
Price as well.
Yeah, that's nice.
And then these are the cool things. I want it a little bit high end.
Oh yeah, Amaterasu. I remember finding that one. That glare's terrible. There we go. Yeah, Amaterasu. I think is that the pose, or is there 2 different ones?
Yeah, you got different faces.
Oh, different faces. Yeah, they're pretty cool. It's a game I still need to play through.
These ones that are worth like £90.
Yeah, they're so expensive in the UK. And conversion rate worked out about £40.
And then you nearly screamed when you found this one.
Oh yeah, I found Metal Gear Solid one. Metal Gear Solid 5. Least favourite Metal Gear game, but that figure is absolutely amazing. It comes with his little Fulton balloon as well. It was opened, and the Japanese there, I think it said something like slight damage to the box, which, you know, it's not too bad, is that?
I think we did more damage to the box, like bringing it back to the UK.
Yeah, pretty much. Crushed it. And then I found a few things in Super Potato, which is like a very popular game store.
You can explain these.
Now, I'm not bothered about the games in Japanese because I own the games, but these sleeves are Japanese exclusive, and because I'm a nerd, I wanted to own some exclusive sleeves. So that's Metal Gear Solid 4. Pretty sure that as well, though, to be honest. The steel case, I don't have that, so that's 2 new items. And then same with Metal Gear Solid 5. I own the game, but it comes with like a little art book, some collectible cards, and then just a sleeve, just a nice Japanese exclusive sleeve that we just don't get over here. Yeah. What were the prices of these? They were like £7, I think. So yeah, right. That's that one. That's one.
In this one.
Yeah, that's one full suitcase done. And there will be more videos.
And there is one more entire suitcase for another video.
Yeah, and then gacha video. So yeah, stay tuned for them.